Imagine this. You walk into a store, you pick up something you've wanted for weeks, maybe a new The card comes with helpful tools like free credit score tracking, alerts, and customer support based in the US. You'll always know where you stand and can stay on top of your progress. To get the most out of this card, always pay your balance on time and try to keep your usage low. Over time, this responsible behavior can improve your credit score and open doors to better financial opportunities. In short, the Discover It Secured Credit Card is a smart and beginner-friendly option for anyone looking to build or rebuild credit in a simple and rewarding way. If you're looking for a simple and reliable credit card to build or improve your credit, the Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a solid choice. It's designed especially for people with average or limited credit history. One of the biggest advantages of this card is that it doesn't require a security deposit. Unlike secured cards, you can get started without putting money down, which makes it more convenient for many users. There's also no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about extra yearly costs. With responsible use, you may also be eligible for a higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. This means if you make your payments on time and manage your balance well, Capital One can automatically increase your spending limit. Another important benefit is that Capital One reports your payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus. This helps you build a strong credit history over time, as long as you stay consistent with on-time payments. The card also comes with helpful tools through the Capital One mobile app, where you can track your spending, set up alerts, and monitor your credit score. These features make it easier to stay in control of your finances. To make the most of this card, try to pay your balance in full each month and keep your credit usage low. This will help improve your credit score faster. Overall, the Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a straightforward and beginner-friendly option for anyone who wants to build credit without paying an annual fee. If you're just starting your credit journey, the Chase Freedom Rise credit card is a great beginner-friendly option. It's designed for people with little or no credit history, making it easier to get approved compared to many other cards. One of the key benefits of this card is that it has no annual fee. This means you can focus on building your credit without worrying about extra yearly charges. It's a simple and low-cost way to begin your financial journey. The Chase Freedom Rise card also offers cashback rewards. You can earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which is a nice bonus while you build your credit. Even small, everyday purchases can help you earn rewards over time. Another great feature is the opportunity for a credit limit increase. If you use your card responsibly, like paying on time and keeping your balance low, you may qualify for a higher limit in as little as 6 months. Capital One also provides helpful tools through their mobile app, where you can track your spending, set up payment reminders, and monitor your progress. This makes it easier to stay organized and avoid missing payments. Plus, your payment activity is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus. This helps you build a positive credit history when you use the card wisely. To get the best results, always pay your bill on time and try not to use too much of your available credit. Overall, the Chase Freedom Rise is a simple, rewarding, and beginner-friendly credit card for building strong credit habits. If you have fair credit and want to earn rewards while improving your score, the Capital One Quicksilver One Rewards credit card is a great option to consider. It's designed for people who are still building their credit but want more benefits from their card. One of the biggest highlights of this card is its unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. Unlike some cards that have rotating categories, this card keeps things simple. You earn the same rate on everything you buy. Even though this card does have an annual fee, many users find it worth it because of the consistent rewards and credit-building features. It gives you a chance to earn cash back on everyday spending, like groceries, gas, and online shopping. Another useful feature is the possibility of a credit limit increase. If you make your payments on time and manage your balance responsibly, Capital One may automatically review your account for a higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. Capital One also reports your payment history to all 3 major credit bureaus. This helps you build or improve your credit score over time when you use the card wisely. You'll also get access to the Capital One mobile app, where you can track your spending, receive alerts, and monitor your credit score easily. To make the most of this card, always pay your bills on time and try to keep your credit usage low. This will help improve your credit score faster. Overall, the Capital One Quicksilver One Rewards credit card is a simple and rewarding option for people with fair credit who want to earn cash back while building a stronger financial future. If you want a credit card that offers both strong rewards and flexibility, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a great option to consider. It's ideal for people who already have some credit history and want to earn more from their everyday spending. One of the best features of this card is its cashback system. You can earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases, along with higher rewards in certain categories like dining and travel through Chase. This makes it a great everyday card for both small and big expenses. Another big advantage is that there is no annual fee. You can enjoy all the benefits and rewards without worrying about paying a yearly cost, which adds extra value over time. The card also offers a welcome bonus for new users if you meet a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. This is a great way to earn extra cash back right from the start. Chase provides helpful tools through their mobile app, where you can track spending, set up alerts, and monitor your account easily. Plus, your payment activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus, helping you build and maintain a strong credit score. To get the best results, always pay your bill on time and try not to use too much of your available credit. Overall, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a simple, rewarding, and flexible credit card that works well for everyday use. Now here's the deeper truth most people miss. Credit cards are not about money. They're about behavior. Two people can use the exact same card. One ends up in debt, the other builds a strong financial future. Why? Because of psychology. Let's break it down. When people use cash, they feel the loss immediately. When they use a credit card, that pain is delayed. And when pain is delayed, spending increases. This is why so many people struggle. Not because credit cards are bad, but because they don't understand their own behavior. So the goal is not just choosing the right card, it's building the right system. If you're a beginner, here's what actually matters. Forget trying to maximize reward. Focus on these 4 simple rules. 1. Always pay your full balance on time. This builds trust faster than anything else. 2. Keep your usage low. If your limit is $500, try not to use more than $150 to $200. This signals control. 3. Start simple. Don't jump into complicated reward systems. Build the habit first. 4. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you already have. This single mindset shift changes everything. And here's a powerful mental model. Your credit card is not a spending tool. It's a reputation builder. Every swipe tells the system something about you. So the next time you think about getting a credit card, don't ask which one gives the most rewards. Ask which one helps me build the best habits, because in the long run, your habits matter more than your card. The truth is, wealth isn't built through big, dramatic moves. It's built quiet through small, consistent decisions. And something as simple as your first credit can be the starting point of that journey, or the beginning of a mistake. The choice is yours. And before you go, think about this. Most people spend years trying to fix their finances when all they really needed was to understand a few simple ideas early on. If you want to build real financial confidence without confusing jargon, without complicated strategies, make sure you subscribe, because on this channel, we break down money, psychology, and wealth building into simple ideas you can actually use in real life. And if this video helped you even a little, hit the like button so more people can learn how to use money the right way. Your future self will thank you.